Okay, now let's try to finish the remaining 3 letters, and we said that these 3 letters are very unique to Swedish, and therefore they need some special consideration. And they are å, ä, ö. Å, år, åt, åska. År, åt, åska. År means year. Åt, that means 8, as in past tense. And åska, that's thunder. So when you're trying to form this letter, it's important that your mouth is sort of, you form almost a circular or cylindrical form. So your mouth becomes like a cylinder, the opening. And you say å, å, å. Ä, on the other hand, ä, it requires that you open up the mouth. Ä, ä. You can think about how sort of a sheep or a lamb sounds. Ä, bä. That is the sound we're going for, the ä sound. Ä. First word is äta, äta. Ära, ära. Älta, älta. So äta means to eat, ära means honor, and älta means to dwell, as in stop dwelling on those thoughts. Finally, we have the last letter of the Swedish alphabet, which is ö. Ö. And in English, the only real time you'll hear this is when somebody's sort of very dismayed and you have like a disgruntled, teenager, and they're like, I don't want to go. That's the sound we're looking for. So the first word is öva, öva, followed by önska, önska, finally ört, ört. So öva means to practice, önska means to wish, and ört in English becomes herb.